Hello, in this Flutter video, I am going to show you the long press gesture. So the long press gesture is when a pointer remains in contact with the screen at the same location for a long period of time. That is it. So maybe you could be simulating some sort of right click or some sort of contextual menu and providing some extra information. I think Instagram has this when you click a image or post. It's all images actually, one of the posts, but you don't double tap it to like it, or you don't just single click it to go to it. If you just keep it pressed, it goes into an expose. It makes it a little bigger, so it's almost like a preview before you go directly into it, because at the end of the day, users are very impatient, so they want it as quick and easy as possible. So if they can reduce them having to go into a whole nother screen, it's almost like half a screen, because it is overtaking the screen, but it's technically not the same screen, because once you let go, you'll go back to the original state instead of you having to click the back button. So first of all, we just need to add a gesture detector, and in here we'll add whatever child we want to attach the gesture to. It's going to be an image, and I just put on long press. So there's two of them, on long press, and I'll show you both of them. So if I put a print statement in here, I know I made a mistake because the print should be a lowercase p, and I'm going to say long press, and I'll be doing on long press up, so long press released. So if I was to save that, if I click it, nothing's happening. If I double click it, still nothing happening. If I keep my mouse button pressed on it, it says long press. If I let go, it says long press released. And that is it. This code here can be more complex, will most likely be more complex. You can connect to a database, maybe pull some information. You could do some animation using the transform class. You could essentially, what else could you do? You could, encapsulate the functionality into a separate method. So you just call the method here, because you don't want to be, putting 10 lines here, maybe 20 lines here. You can just simply put that into a whole nother method. Well, that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.